everyone, how are you all? So this is the second part of O sound words, short vowel O sound. O. C-O-P, cop. H-O-P, hop. Up, hop. L-O-P, lop. M-O-P, mop. P-O-P, pop. T-O-P, top. So the next is O-T. The first word is C-O-T, got. Let's see. D-O-T, dot. H-O-T, hot. L-O-T, lot. P-O-T, pot. R-O-T, rot. Rot. T-O-T, tot. T-ot. T-ot. Tot. Okay, now the next is ox. Ox. Box. B-O-X. Box. B-ox. Box. Box. Fox. 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 C-O-X. Cox. K-ox. K-ox. Cox. Box, fox, cox. So kids, these are the short vowel O sound words. Kids, you have to practice at your home, and parents, you can teach your child at your home, and ask your child to practice, because the practice makes man perfect. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and there are lots of videos on the activities are coming soon, so stay tuned with us and keep watching. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.